can't believe it's finally happening. I've been working on something day and night for a while now, and it's finally here. Every week I get messages asking how I do it. From making Rapunzel's hair glow, to styling wings, becoming a mermaid, and sewing or sourcing costumes. And for the longest time I dreamed of creating a cozy little home where I could share it all with you in one magical place. That's why I'm so excited to finally introduce you to my Patreon, a project I poured my heart and soul into. So, why Patreon? If you followed me for a while, you probably know how much time and love I pour into every single video, bringing characters and fairy tales to life. Apart from a professional makeup background, I taught myself everything from scratch, one step at a time. And now I want to pass that spark over to you to help you chase your dreams too. Whether you want to learn how to create magical images of videos, transform yourself into a character, or just a place to be inspired and escape into a world of fairy tale, there's a place for you here. I've created 3 different tiers, each with a different theme and names inspired by my Norwegian roots. Midnight Sun is the most affordable tier and one very close to my heart. It's like a cozy hangout spot where I'll share secrets of my upcoming projects, exclusive content, and fun seasonal activities like Belle's Enchanted Book Club and Rapunzel's Activity Challenge. Growing up in northern Norway, there was something magical about staying up late with the sun still shining, sharing secrets and laughter. That's exactly the feeling I want to capture in this tier. The second tier is called Freyja, named after the Norse Viking goddess of beauty and creativity. It's all about creating a character from scratch, sewing and sourcing beautiful costumes and accessories, styling wigs and mastering makeup skills like making custom teeth and prosthetics. Northern Star is the top tier for those who really want to dive deep into the secrets of content creation. Along with everything from the previous tiers, you'll also get tutorials on editing, visual effects, filmmaking, and creative storytelling. The Northern Star is a symbol of hope and guidance, and I hope this tier will help guide you towards making your own creative dreams come true. But more than anything, my Patreon was built as a sanctuary, a space where you can grow, create, and nurture your inner child. There are open chats where you can connect with other dreamers, and if you're in the Freyja or Northern Star tier, you'll have access to exclusive chats with others on the same creative path, where you can share your journey, get feedback, and grow together. This community means the world to me, not just because it helps me keep creating, but I also love connecting with you and sharing what I've learned along the way. If you ever wanted to know how it's all done, or simply want a warm, welcoming place full of creativity and fairy tales, I hope this can be a place where you can truly thrive and bloom. I can't wait to create, dream, and grow together with you, and for you to be part of my world.